the basics of HTML, and this is part of the technology series. So, all pages should start with the doc type HTML. So, that is the statement in the web page that says that the document is HTML. Each HTML tag should have an opening tag and a closing tag. So the opening tags looks like a less than symbol, the tag, and then the greater than symbol. But for the closing tag, that's different. It's a less than symbol, and then a slash, and then the tag name, and then the greater than symbol. Each HTML page should have an opening HTML tag and a closing HTML tag. Like this one, it's the HTML inside there. And then you could see the closing tag because there's a slash in there. And this is all doc type HTML that we started. Now we have to add an opening head tag and a closing head tag. The head portion is the part that doesn't show the web page. If you want to name the tag, you should use an opening title tag and a closing title tag inside the head tag. So, this is our code so far. The doc type, the HTML, the closing HTML. This is the part that's new. The head tag over here. We have to close that. Inside the head tag, we have to write the title tag, the tab name you want it to be, and then the closing title tag. So now we have to add an opening tag and a closing body tag. The body portion of the HTML tag is the part that will be displayed on the web page. You will enter all the code that will display on the web page here. So you can see like the directive HTML, the HTML closing, the head, the closing tag for that, the title and the closing. This body tag is over here, and then there's a closing with the slash. The basic elements of HTML are paragraph and heading. So for the paragraph, you would write the opening paragraph tag and the closing paragraph tag with a slash. For the heading, you will write the opening heading 1 tag and the closing heading 1 tag. In the future videos, I will explain about each HTML tag. Those videos will also be marked as the technology series. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, don't forget to watch more videos. Thank you.